How long does it take to sell a home on the Florida Space Coast? What sellers should expect? Hi, I'm Margaret, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we're going to discuss one of the questions almost every homeowner searches before selling. How long does it take to sell a home? If you've ever wondered whether your home might sell in a weekend or sit on the market for months, you're definitely not alone. One of the most common searches sellers make online is how long does it take to sell a house in Florida? Or how fast are homes selling in Brevard County? The answer depends on several factors, and some of them may surprise you. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to share the one thing that almost always determines whether a home sells quickly or lingers on the market, and it's something many sellers accidentally overlook. And if you're curious how long homes are currently taking to sell on the Florida Space Coast, you can always call or text me at 321-480-7662. Or explore homes and market trends on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Average time to sell a home on the Space Coast. When selling a home in Brevard County, Titusville, Merritt Island, Cocoa, Melbourne, or Viera, the timeline can vary depending on the market and the home itself. Typically, homes go through these stages: listing presentation, days on market before an offer, contract to closing. In many cases, homes go under contract within 30 to 90 days depending on price, location, and condition. After a contract is accepted, the closing process usually takes another 30 to 45 days depending on financing and inspections. And, of course, some houses sell faster and others take longer. That's where strategy matters. And that's why many sellers choose to work with your favorite Space Coast Realtor to help them guide them through the process. If you're thinking about selling, feel free to call or text me anytime at 321-480-7662. Factors that affect how quickly a home sells. Several key factors influence how quickly a home sells on the Florida Space Coast real estate market. Price, this is the biggest one. If a home is priced correctly based on recent comparable sales, buyers tend to respond quickly. If it's priced too high, buyers may skip it entirely. Location. Home close to beaches, the Indian River, major employers, shopping and dining, easy access to Orlando, often attract strong interest. The condition. Buyers are naturally drawn to homes that feel clean, well-maintained, and move-in ready. Small improvements like fresh paint, decluttering, and good lighting can really make a big difference. Marketing. Strong marketing ensures your home gets seen by the largest number of buyers possible. This includes professional pictures, online exposures, social media marketing, video walkthroughs. You can even see some of my home walkthroughs right here on YouTube at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Why some homes sell faster than others? Sometimes two homes in the same neighborhood list at the same time, but one sells immediately while the other sits on the market. Why? Usually it comes down to pricing strategy and presentation. Buyers today are very informed. They compare houses online and quickly recognize when a home is priced well or presented attractively. The homes that generate the most interest tend to combine competitive pricing, great presentation, strong marketing exposure. That combination creates excitement among buyers. Timing the market versus prepping the home. Some sellers try to wait for the perfect time to list their home, but in reality, preparing your home properly often matters more than the timing the market perfectly. A well-prepared home that shows beautifully can attract buyers any time of the year. That's why I often help sellers develop a pre-listing strategy that includes identifying simple improvements, determining the right price range, creating a strong marketing plan. If you're thinking about selling your home anywhere on the Florida Space Coast, I'd love to help. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor. Call or text me at 321-480-7662. Check out my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. The answer to the question from the beginning. Remember the hook at the start? The one thing that most often determines how quickly a home sells is surprisingly simple. Pricing correctly from the beginning. Homes priced right from day one tend to attract the most attention and the most showings. Homes that start too high often end up needing price reductions later, which can slow down the process. A smart pricing strategy helps create momentum right away. Thinking about selling your home? If you're considering selling your home in Brevard County or anywhere on the Florida Space Coast, I'd be happy to help you understand the market and develop a plan that works for you. Call or text anytime. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, 321-480-7662. Check out my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, or you can email me at margaret.klein@exprealty.com. Because when it comes to selling homes on the Space Coast, your favorite Space Coast Realtor is always ready to help you make your next move. Thanks so much, and don't forget to subscribe.